Welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin.
My name is Wouter.
And in this episode, Wouter is going to learn you all the steps how to safely and efficient replace an old set of cold brushes with new ones on a Flex PE14 rotary polisher. And I just learned step number 1, which is unplugging the machine. Wouter, let's go.
Yes, so this is the machine we are going to replace the cold brushes of. So to remove the cover which reveals the cold brushes, you need a Torx 15 screwdriver or a bit or whatever. Just unscrew these three. So I've removed the screws and now I can take off the cover. So the cold brushes are placed here and here. So to replace them, we also need to remove the other side. Please note, it's held in here with a clamp, so you can take the whole thing off. Just put it on the side like this and you will be fine. So on the other side, here's cold brush number 1. I always use a small screwdriver to lift up the spring. So I hold back the spring with my finger and I can remove the cold brush. So to replace it, I'm not going to do it in this case because this cold brush looks really fine. On flex machines there is a line, and if you hit that line with your cold brush, you will have to replace it. So I'm going to put this one back in. So to put in the new cold brush, you first need to lift up the spring again. Take your cold brush and always make sure the cable is going to this side of the machine, to the open side. Put back the spring and you can then reconnect the cold brush like that. The other cold brush is here on the top. It's the same principle, only in this case there's the speed control in the way, so you will have to do a little bit more of fidgeting. Hold back the spring, you can remove the cold brush, take it off, grab your new one, put it in, make sure the cable is going that way, put the spring back on, and then you have replaced your cold brushes. I see this machine is a bit dirty from some polishing dust, so I'm gonna grab my detailing brush and just brush away this dust. And in that way we can preserve the machine. So now let's put it back together. We can first click on this cover to this side. Then most of the times the switch will come loose, but that's no problem. We have tabs here, you can easily place it back in. Then what you have to do is make sure no cables are covering the screw holes. So I'm gonna put this right here. This all goes in, and then I put on the cover. So, and we put in back the screws. Now it's important when you have replaced the cold brushes to always check if your reparation has gone right. So I will plug in the machine, setting 1, as you see it's worked fine.
Wouter, thank you very much for fixing up the Flex PE14 rotary polisher with a new set of gold brushes. We also made a video which we compare a Flex polisher, a Kraus polisher and a Roots polisher. Also very cool to see. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. We hope you find this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next episodes. See you later.
Bye bye.